Hello and welcome back, YouTubers. Today we are going to attach a EBS volume to a EC2 instance, take a snapshot, and then delete both the instance and the volume. So let's get started. As you can see, I am here in the AWS Management Console. The first thing that we need to do is we need to select and change our region. Right now you can see I'm in the Ohio region. I'm going to change that to, let's use Canada. So now I am in the Canada region. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click EC2. We are going to click Launch Instance. Then I am going to select Amazon Linux AMI. It is free tier eligible, and we're not going to have the instance up that long. So click Select. Then the general purpose instance type is sufficient for what we're doing. We're going to use the default VPC. The subnet doesn't matter, but we'll select one anyway. Click Add Next for storage. And then as we can see, as we know with the storage that comes attached to the instance, it is non-persistent. So basically that's the reason why you would add an EBS volume. We could add volume, we could add storage here, but we're not going to do that. We're going to do it after the fact. So we're just going to click Add Tags. Tags will leave blank. Configure security group, we're just going to leave that so we could SSH into it if we needed to. Click Review and Launch. We know that it's open to the world. That's fine. It's not going to be up that long. So we're just going to click Launch. And we are going to use an existing key pair. We are going to create a new key pair because I apparently don't have one. New key pair. Now I'm going to download that and click Launch Instance. Alright, so while that's working, I'm going to go over here to Elastic Block Store. I'm going to click Volumes, and I'm going to create a volume. Then we could change the volume type. We can change between general purpose or provisioned, cold, which is HDD. We are just going to leave it general purpose. We can change the size if we wanted to. We are going to leave all of this default availability zone. So snapshot ID, and we can encrypt the volume if we wanted to. We're going to leave all of that. Actually, I'm going to add a tag as department temp. And then click Create Volume, hit Close, so that's been created. As you can see, it says creating. Once that has changed to created, we're going to attach this volume to the EC2 instance that is being created. I'm just going to pause the video here until everything is up and running. Alright, we are back. The status checks have checked out 2 for 2. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to attach the volume we just created to this instance. So to do that, we're going to click Volumes. We are going to find the instance that's stated as available. Click Actions, and then Attach Volume. Then we only have the one running, so we can just select that. And then click Attach. There you go. It says in use. And then the nice thing with AWS is that it gives you the attachment information. It lets you know the availability zone that it's in. Also the tags as well. So that is attached. The next thing that we would want to do is we'd want to create a snapshot. I'm just going to give this, okay, good. So now that it's in use, I am just going to click that again and then go to Actions. And then I'm going to click Create Snapshot. And then we're going to say Test Snap. We'll add a tag. We'll say date. and we'll give it today's date of 0707. And then we will click Create Snapshot. All right, that snapshot has been created. So basically with a snapshot, as we know, it's just a picture of the EC2 instance at a given point. And so if we went over to snapshots, we can see that snapshot has been completed. If we wanted to, we could delete the snapshot. We could also create a snapshot from here if we wanted to. So I'm going to go back to that. The next thing that we want to do is let's modify that EBS volume. So I'm going to go back to volumes. Actually, first let's delete that snapshot. So delete. Yes, we'll delete that. So we have no more snapshots. We'll go back to volumes, and we are going to modify this volume. So I'm just going to check this box, and then under actions, click modify volume, and then we can adjust the size. We can also adjust the volume type. So I'm going to make this a provisioned IOPS, and let's say let's add an extra 0, see what happens, and then click modify. Then it asks us if we're sure. We're going to click yes, and now you can see it has been modified. If we go to description, the IOPS is the same. You can see that there have been changes that have been made. Alright, so now that we have done that, that's really everything that we need to do. I just want to wait until the state goes from optimizing to just in use. So we'll just hang on for just a second here. But that's really everything that we would need to do. The final thing that we need to do for this short tutorial is just terminate the instance. We need to make sure that we delete all of our EBS volumes because there is a charge for them if we keep them up and running. There's really no reason to keep them hanging on. So I'm just going to pause the video until this changes to just in use and not optimizing. So welcome back. That probably took about 5 minutes, but now as you can see, it says in use -completed 100%. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to delete this volume and then also terminate the EC2 instance. So I have clicked the checkbox here on the left hand side. Then I'm going to go to detach volume. Yes, detach. And while that's working, I'm going to go over to the instance, and I'm going to go actions, instance state, terminate. Yes, terminate. Now as you can see, that's shutting down. If I bounce back over to the volumes, you can see that it's available. I am just going to check the box and then go delete volume. Yes, delete. Now that's deleting. The instance is terminating. I'll pause the video here so that you can see once everything has been terminated and deleted. So it'll be just a moment. Alright, we're back. As you can see, my instance has been terminated. If I go to volumes, you can see that I no longer have any volumes or snapshots. So it looks like everything has been completely deleted and wiped clean, so that's good. So that's it for this short tutorial. If you have any questions, comments, definitely put them in the box below. If you like these videos, if you want to see more videos, if you want to see different videos, definitely leave a comment down in the comment section, like, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.